Oh, so good. This is what goes into making a New Yorker. An Americano pod from the Nescafe range of Dolce Gusto, a splash of Dubliner. Here we go. Oh, so good. You get the hit of the caffeine, you get the hit of the sweetness from the Dubliner, and it's just absolutely delicious. And the reason why I call it the New Yorker is obviously the American style coffee, but also the Dubliner is Irish. And if many of you probably know, but maybe don't, a great deal of New York was actually built on the backs of the Irish. And if you ever go to New York, seek out the Irish Potato Famine Memorial. It is really, really amazing. It's a real true thing. They actually really truly ran out of potatoes at one point in their history, and they had a massive famine on potatoes. There was a virus that went through the potato crops and completely decimated them. So there we go. One New Yorker. Yum.